When you type a URL into your browser and hit enter, a lot more happens than just opening a web page. First, your browser checks if it already knows the IP address of that website from its cache. If not, it asks a DNS server, which works like the Internet's phone book, to translate the domain name into an IP address that computers can understand. Once the IP address is found, your browser sends a request across the Internet to the web server hosting that site. Before any data is exchanged, modern websites usually establish a secure connection using TLS encryption, which protects the data from being intercepted or modified. After the connection is secure, the browser sends an HTTP or HTTPS request asking the server for the web page. The server then processes that request and sends back the website's files, usually HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Your browser reads these files, builds the page structure, loads images, runs scripts, and finally renders the page visually on your screen. Yes, all of this happens in just a few milliseconds, involving multiple systems across the Internet working together. Sounds amazing, right? Well, understanding this process helps you realize how complex and fascinating the web really is. Like what you just saw? Subscribe to Learn with Whiteboard for more tech lessons like this one.